In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Discord to Zapier. This process will streamline your workflow by automating tasks between Discord and other apps. It's a great way to make your digital life a bit more efficient and seamless. So, let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to begin by opening your Zapier account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left side of the screen where you'll find the app connection area. This is essentially your gateway to connecting various apps and automating processes. With that in mind, go ahead and click on this app connection panel. This will lead you to a new window where you can manage the various apps you choose to integrate with Zapier. Now that you're in the apps section, the next step is to find the option to add a new connection. Once you spot it, click on Add Connection. This button becomes important because it's where you'll get started in creating new integrations. After you click on Add Connection, you'll see a search bar. Here, you'll want to type in Discord with the correct spelling. I know typos can be frustrating, especially when they slow us down, so make sure you spell it correctly. Discord. As you type, Zapier will provide a list of suggestions. Click on Discord from this list to proceed. Now, you're going to follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. It's pretty straightforward from here on. Zapier will guide you through each step, often requiring you to log into your Discord account. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you'll need to enter that as well. At this point, Zapier might ask for permission to access your Discord account. This is necessary for integration, so it's essential to grant these permissions. Once you've made it through the prompts and logged in, the connection is established. You now have Discord linked to Zapier, opening up a world of automation possibilities. Whether you want to automatically post updates to a Discord channel or integrate with other platforms like Google Sheets, the options are endless. To troubleshoot, if you encounter any issues during this process, double-check your login credentials and ensure that any required permissions were correctly granted. Also, keep an eye out for any browser-specific settings that may block pop-ups or prompts. It's useful to consult Zapier's support resources or their community forums if something doesn't work as expected. By following these steps, you've effectively connected Discord to Zapier, which is a fantastic way to enhance your productivity by automating processes across your favorite apps. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Happy automating!